All right, so here we are. We ended up putting some paint there just to make sure it doesn't rust. From the previous work, we're folding those things back, but now we're actually at the installing the fender. So there are many different ways to try and install fenders as a wide body kit on cars. In our case, we actually just mapped it out there with the green tape to protect a little bit. So this is actually what it looks like. So you got the fender, and then after that you got this barge board they call, that's actually on the back here. So what we're going to do is mocking that up on the vehicle. There are many different ways to mount it. You'll see that this body kit, actually the bolts are hidden. In our case, we decided to use riv nuts. The manufacturer suggested to use bolts on the inside. And if you sit there and look at the inside, you can see these pieces right here, right?
You can hardly reach underneath there to get a bolt.
Yeah, so in our case, putting the riv nut just makes it a lot easier. It worked on the other car over there, so this is what we're going to do. Here. Say that again?
We'll put the riv nuts on this piece where you can't normally put a bolt because it's very shallow. And then where you have actual access to the bolt being able to be put in, we put the riv nuts on the body.
Yep. Yeah, because they definitely hold really well in metal. They seem to hold pretty well actually on the fiberglass as well. We saw that on the other car. We're actually pretty surprised that that was the case. So we use a combination of the two. All right, so we're going to start putting that on the vehicle, see how we're going to put it all together. So here we go.